Hi, Ben from Twism here. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Twism dashboard, how to edit any of your account settings, and as well create a new offer. First, you're going to want to go to twism.com and then click on Merchant Portal. You'll then be asked to enter your email and password for your credentials to your account. Once you've entered those credentials, go ahead and click to log in. And then it will be taking you to your dashboard. From here, you can click on your business name here in the top left corner, and you can click through any of these settings. So if you wanted to go through your My Business profile, you can edit any sort of fields such as your business name, your phone number, the category, your website, your Instagram, and your Facebook. You can also go to My Branded Coin to edit your logo or anything that you want to put as far as representing your business on the Twism platform. You also have some options to manage the team members that you want to add to your dashboard to have access there, whether it's a marketing manager or some sort of general manager that you might want to have access as well. You can go to managed locations where you can add or edit any existing locations there, as well as integrations if you have any that are supported by Twism, whether it be a point of sale system or an online provider that hosts your online site. You can also click here in the top right on your name. You can go to My Account, and here you can edit your first and last name or the email that's being used on your account. And if for whatever reason you need to change your password, you can go ahead and do so by clicking here. Now let's show you how you can create a new offer. First, you'll go ahead and click to My Tools, then go to Offers. You'll then click to create a new offer. If you've already created an offer, that same button will appear in the top right corner, and it will take you to this page where you can select from 3 different types of offers. It's quite straightforward, where store-wide deals is a little bit more of a general offer. It could be something like a Black Friday sale where it's 15% off store-wide, something along those lines of buy one, get one free. Something that's specific to a product or service would utilize this type of offer where you can show a specific discount for a specific offer, specific product. And the birthday offer is similar to a store-wide deal, but the added benefit is that it will keep customers engaged, where on the week of their birthday, they will receive a push notification within their Twism app, letting them know that birthday offers are available to them, and your offer will appear there. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and create a store-wide deal, then click Continue. And here, there's a very simple field that you will enter some details, such as the title, add an image, as well as a tag. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So here you can see I typed out for it to be a buy one, get one 50% off offer. I added a nice image to go along with the offer, as well as a tag indicating that it's a one-time offer. You could use something like a continual offer. It could say BOGO, Black Friday, whatever's suitable for that offer. You also have a few lists of rules and restrictions that you can choose from. So say you wanted it to have a particular customer limit, you can click here and limit it to, say, the first 50 customers. You can also set a particular deadline where it can expire at a certain point. So say I just wanted it through next week until the 29th. But here's also an option where you can choose for the offer to renew after a certain period. This is really great to help keep customers engaged with your program. So you can go ahead and say, have it renew, say, every 4 months. That way they can reuse the offer again and again every 4 months. This is defaulted to be checked to ensure that it cannot be combined with any other coins, offers, or promotions that you have going on, as well as these 2 text boxes. This first one being where you can add any additional rules and exclusions that are not covered in these set rules here. So say you wanted to exclude a certain item, so excludes oat milk additions, something along those lines. You can go ahead and do so as well. And here, this is just an optional field where you can add a fun little message to your customers. Once you're ready, you can go ahead and scroll up and click Create Offer. And from that point, it's live within the Twism app, and it's live within the Twism network where customers can access and start using your offer. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@twism.com. Thank you so much.